What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of transferring money from your credit or debit card to your PayPal account. Understanding how to do this is essential for making online purchases, sending money, or managing your finances effectively. So let's begin. First, locate the PayPal app. After you locate the PayPal app, tap on it to open the app. After you open the app, make sure that you are logged into the PayPal app. As you can see in the video, it's already logged in. After you log into the PayPal app, tap on the PayPal balance, which is at the top of the screen. In the PayPal balance, tap on the Add Money button, which is located at the middle of the screen. After you tap the Add Money button, enter the amount you want to add in PayPal, but make sure that you have sufficient funds. The minimum of adding funds to PayPal depends on which country you live in. For example, 25 as you can see on the screen. After you enter the amount, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. The choices appeared and said choose a way to add funds. Just tap the link for eligible options. From here, enter your debit card number, or you can scan your card for an easy process. After you do either of those, the link card button at the bottom appears, so just tap on the link card button. Transferring money from your card to PayPal is a straightforward process once you have linked your card. Always ensure that your card information is accurate to avoid any issues. For further assistance, refer to PayPal's Help Center or consider contacting your customer support. Now that you have funds in your PayPal account, you can use them for online shopping or sending money to others with ease. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.